Welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about the repair feature of Odoo 17. So what is a repair? Basically, when a finished product is been manufactured or we are in the business of sales, so what happens sometime due to external force or due to any mishappening, the product get damaged. Like let's say in a refrigerator or in washing machine, sometimes some dent take place, some switches got out due to the improper packaging of the product. So in that scenario, if there is a sales order created and the product is going to be delivered and it is found that the product is not good enough to be delivered to the customer, so in that scenario we have an option in Odoo to repair the product and get ready for the delivery. So let's go and check out the repair feature of Odoo 17. Click in sales module and let's generate the quotation. So click on new customer, let's say Azure interior. And one more thing, before the option of repair, we should enable the check of repair checkbox in the product. So as we are going to activate the repair option for the product, so let's say door. So we are having cabinet with door. So we are having a cabinet with door like this, and suppose this is broken or something else. So before doing any repair, we have to check this checkbox over here. Just click on the enable button of checkbox, right, and save it. Now let's go to the quotation. We have selected the customer and we will check out for cabinet and door. Everything came by default. Now we can see no option is there, just save it. And the moment we will confirm, what we can see, a repair option is coming over here and sales order has been created. SO0075. So at the time of sales order, we found that the product is not good to send to the customer, as the reputation of the company can go down and there can be multiple complication between the selling of the product. That's why it should not be delivered to the customer until unless it has been repaired. Just go and click over here. We can see the product can be seen over here. So cabinet with doors, and we have started. The moment we will click on start repair, the start process will take place. It is in under repair. The moment the repair is done, just click on end the repair and we can see the stage it has been repaired. Go back to the sales order. Now we can see sales order has been created, and that is for now. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.